that. Man, you smell it too. Man. That was so cute. Cheers. Arigato. Cheers. Kanpai. Show them your face. Konbanwa minasan! So for today, we're going to try new snacks that you have given us because upon opening the box, Bottom said, let's eat right now. So I don't wanna turn down Bottom's request, and since tomorrow is Monday, so I have to go to work again. So this time, we are going to eat what she likes.
You said let's try this first.
Yeah, we will try this one. This is the cookie white roleta. So we will try this first time. Thank you so much, Tomodachi. Box. Wow, it's so unique. Look at that. Man, you smell it too. Man. That was so cute.
Ang ganda. Bourbon.
Look at Man. Man is smelling it. Man.
Okay, tadakimasu.
Tadakimasu. Cheers. Wow.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
Ang sarap. It's the best. I love it. So yummy. It's yummy. Let's go. Taste the second cookie. Or chocolate. Almond crush.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it has two inside. Okay, let's eat the first one.
Yeah. I will, of course, finish this. Oh, look. 2, 4, 6, 7 sticks.
So we can finish.
Now.
7. So for me is 4. Yours is 3.
You have your own.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Man-san, you smell Man before we eat. Man, smell it. Man will smell. Good job, Man.
Meron pala siyang yung paano siya buksan, ganito. It has a way to how to open. Really? At the back, yeah. You follow.
I will follow it. Here, to open. Ta-da! Is it like that?
Oh, yes, like this.
Okay, there you go.
Ang galing.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers! Arigato! Man, can't be, not forget. Not forget, Man want to smell it.
Bawal siya, Mom.
This is so the best.
No, chocolate's not good for you.
Wow. So good. Thank you, Tomodachi.
I got to.
Ang
sarap.
We're so happy. So much happy. I love this. Almond flavor.
I'm savoring it. This makes me not overthink. This makes me
relax.
Yeah.
The best. I love it. This is the best present this 2025, and of course your support. Whenever you're attending our live stream, that's the best also. Thank you.
Why?
Man wanted to grab it, see? But it can't be for you.
No, not for cat.
Chocolate's
not good for you. Let's try this. Yes. Potato chips. Cara. What cara?
Caramucho. We'll have this one for the third one. Thank you. Arigato Tomodachi. Ay, kagatin niya ako.
Nakakarami na yung kagat. You have so many scratches.
I have so many scratches. One did it to me. This one scratch and this one is scratch too.
Wow. Okay, get
So
yours.
excited.
Okay.
Ang dami.
Got. Oh, cheers!
Yan! Cheers! Kanpai. I have a viewer. Mon-mon-san. Oh, it's spicy. But that's good. I love it.
Sarap, no?
Right? Not super spicy. It's just exactly the taste I want.
Sarap. Oishi.
Oishi. We can finish the others later so we can taste the others more. Ting! Manon cannot be for you. Oh, but smell mo lang, Mon. Smell it.
Mamaya na ulit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because after this, we will watch Netflix.
And we will eat this while watching Netflix.
Yay! Let me, you sip it. You sip it. Ah, okay. This one. Oh, so cute.
Cute.
What will I do is,
We will roll.
like this. And then we will eat later.
Yes, so that the air
Won't come in.
it can barely get inside.
Tadaan!
Ang sarap.
Yummy. Tadaan! Coconut.
Coconut.
Sable.
Sable. Yeah. I am.
What?
Yeah, I'm just curious about that.
You open it. Me too. I'm curious. Yee, thank you so much.
How to open? Maybe just there. Maybe it has a pack inside.
Yes,
separated
it has.
pack.
Let me do it.
Alam ko
Just your
meron
hand.
tong ano. Meron tong way. It has a way. Or just open it. Nag-iisip.
You said it has a way. Tadaan!
Ayan, see?
Yun na nga yung way niya. Ayun,
Single
galing
pack.
no.
Oo, galing.
Perfect. Tadaan! Oh, it has many pala. So,
Uy, ang sarap.
ay, kaya mong ubusin lahat?
Hindi, sige, isa lang muna.
Isa lang. So, we'll try that. Let's try this coconut.
It has a direction.
Cookie. Coconut sable.
There's a way.
So,
Yes,
ganun.
like this. Ta-ching! Tapos bigyan sumabog.
At may lagayan siya, I think.
Ganyan na lang. Yan. Okay. Wow.
Wow. Let me get one. Wow. So yummy. Look at that. Wow.
Cheers!
Cheers.
I'm still spotting another next
It's not super sweet.
Not super sweet, but perfect.
Because we have a food like this in the Philippines, but it's super sweet. Remember?
Yung cocoa butter?
Yeah. That is so sweet. I love it. Tatlo lang laman?
Hindi, ayun pa rin. 4.
So good. Thank you, Tomodachi.
Wow. Man.
Tastes really good.
Sarap.
Diba?
Ito maganda to. It's big. Yeah. Try to open.
Potato chips. Sapporo potato. Wait, sorry.
You want me to open?
Hindi, wait lang. Tadaan! Arigato!
Let me open.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Tumabog eh. Wow!
Uy! My favorite. Chi.
Wow! Arigato! Tadaan! Ang dami. Yummy! Ah, you have fangs.
When we were kids, they were like this.
Yeah.
I'm doing this when I was a kid. Sing
This is so yummy. Not salty at all, right?
Mm-mm.
Calbee. Calbee. Yeah, but looks like. Show them your face. I want to eat more. Thank you, Tomodachi. Whoa, what happened? It's not dirty at all.
I'm doing this. Ganda no?
Yeah.
I'm Wolverine.
I love it.
Ang harap niya.
Mm.
Kuha ka pa ng yung plastic.
Plastico. And this one we will eat later also
While
while
watching
watching Netflix.
movie.
Because today is Sunday. It's relaxation time. Saturday is singing time. But Sunday is our sleeping time. My sleeping time. And watching Netflix movie.
You want to try the Calbee? Yung iyong yan?
This one?
Oo.
I want to try.
Ako hindi.
Because
Ikaw
you
lang.
cannot.
Okay lang. Sige, you
So
try.
while I'm tasting this one, you taste this one.
No, I'm okay.
Ganun.
I want to
This is not for Batam because it has a seafood flavor. So Batam has allergy. So I'll just eat it myself. Tadaan! Wow, it has strong smell.
Let me try to. Hey.
Oh, sorry. I'm sleeping.
Oh my God, it's like Uishi.
Yes. And I'll show you the picture of Batam when she was younger. Wait, I'll show them.
Where? Where's Batam?
This is Batam when she was younger, that one. Oh, my mukha mo.
It's a turtle.
Batam's picture.
That's you.
Wow, Batam.
Alam ko masarap yun eh.
Yeah. I love it.
Sige, I'll
You
wait
know,
for
guys, we did not eat chips for 1 month now, no?
Yeah, more than.
We're not eating chips for more than a month already. And this time, it's okay because after this, we will not eat again. So, no problem.
Just drink more water and the tea.
Yeah, water and tea.
Water and tea.
Oh my God.
Are you? Ay, grabe ka! Nahulog tuloy.
Nahulog ba? It's here.
Grabe.
It's here.
You're turning into a cookie. Cookie cat. Cookie monster.
Stop. Yummy. Wishy.
No plans to another.
Yeah, there is.
I thought you have no plans.
I have plans. Arigato, Tomodachi. I'm so happy with all of these presents you have given us.
Arigato.
Arigato. Ta-da! Next would be Yes,
yes.
Cookie Kinoko no Yama. Wow. I didn't know that. I think we haven't tried this before. The other one is different, not this one. Yeah.
Bear yon, bear.
Yeah, bear. This one is different. And it has Wait a Owen. Ting. Ay, what are you doing?
Ala, dumikit!
Ay! There! Wow! This is a big one. See? And Batam will open it.
Ah, may ganito pa.
Yeah, Monmon, what are you doing?
When?
No, come here. Don't go down. Monmon is playing. You shouldn't play, Monmon, okay? So So cute, right? So cute. Love it.
Ooh, wow. This is so...
No, man. What are you doing, baby?
Oh,
Gonna get
shucks. This is yummy. Look at this. Look at
Yummy.
this.
Ta-da! So yummy. Come by. Cheers. Oh, I like it.
Biscuits and chocolates are good
Good
together.
match. Mm.
Uy, pingi pa ako. No words. Sarap. Sarap.
It's so yummy.
Yummy.
Why this is so yummy?
You give me one.
So good. I love it. No. You get this. Thank you, Tomodachi. I like it so much. I think this is very popular in Japan. Because I saw some bloggers before, many bloggers eating this.
Thank you.
We can't stop. It's so good. How can we?
I think that's all.
No, there is still.
This one?
So good.
Ito pa nga yun, pero natikman na natin to.
Yeah. Batam's favorite. You tasted that before. Eat. No!
Ay!
No, not one more. Tadaan! This one eat.
Ay, oo nga.
We haven't eaten this yet.
Ito pa.
This one. Okay,
Ayun,
but we have that first. This one first.
Ay, oo nga, this one. Just
That's the best. Save the best for last.
Yeah, save the
So
best
this is
for last.
Fujima also from Fujiya. Home pie. Oh, I'm so excited to taste this home pie. Okay. Ta-da! Oh.
Ah, ito yun. This is.
We had it before.
Parang, yung iba is ano lang, para siyang,
Different?
yung parang, ano tawag doon? Maliit.
Oh, yeah, small. But this is yummy.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. I think we had it before. Cheers. You know what, guys? But I'm already wanted to bite again like that and then bring out. And then I have a story to tell you. I was taking calls last week. And then because it's like no calls yet, so I ate a food. And then when it rings, I remove it again.
When somebody call.
Yes, like that while working. Cheers! And I remember you when you did it. Oh, so funny.
It's like syndicate.
Yeah, something like this, oh. I swallowed like that. Like this sa thumb. And then bring out. Yeah, immediately. Because I have to answer a call already. So good. This is one of my favorites.
Hindi siya ganun katamis, no?
No.
It's not that so sweet.
Not super sweet. It's just in the middle. Yummy.
It makes me sleep.
I can't wait to cook karage. My God, I have so many. Oh my God. I'm so happy.
Yeah, ito na. Save the best for last.
Save the best for last.
This is what I know already.
We had that before. I mean, Tomodachi. I mean,
Calbee.
yes, we had that. Yeah, before. This is Batam's favorite. Country ma'am. So maybe this is...
Ganun pa ba, ma'am?
Ma'am? Ganun ba, ma'am? Ang magsagot ng, ma'am? Yeah, country ma'am. So,
ganun po ba talaga ang magsalita, ma'am?
I guess it has 2 flavors, the dark one and the light one.
Ayan, try it. Let's try.
Let's go. From Fujiya. Ding, ding. Okay, so you can determine where, because there's color here.
I want the red.
Red, and then the chocolate, choco chip
Countryman.
cookie cocoa.
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 Cocoa is good for magnesium.
Yeah, this one is choco chip cookie vanilla. I like vanilla.
Vanilla.
But I must try that too.
I like this.
Let's
Cocoa.
yeah. Ooh.
I think this is first time na cocoa.
Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
Baka i-swallow mo na naman.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ang sarap. Yeah, creamy. Ay, yeah, parang gang yung taste niya.
Some crinkle.
I love it. Wow. The best. So I'm so excited with this one. We have so many.
Ito to.
That one is seasoning sa rice. Before, we don't have this. We didn't have.
I want this.
So I'll try this.
Java.
This one is there. Was
I love this Java curry.
I like it. And before we end, I want to eat one more here. You can eat this, the green one.
Gusto ko ya. Ay, ano ba yan?
Hindi ito pwede sa'yo.
Hindi, itong akin.
Okay, go.
Just to neutralize the sweet taste, right? Sarap niyan, no?
This one is so the best.
This is
Not
potato.
salty, batamkon. Not salty at all. The best. This is what I did at work. Like this, oh. Like that.
Because somebody call.
Because I have to answer a call.
You have to answer the client.
Yeah. And then I was laughing that I didn't swallow it, and my food was full of saliva.
You are not allowed to chew?
No. Once you're on the call, you shouldn't. This is so good. I love it. Thank you. Arigato ni.
Thank you. This is yummy.
Thank you, Tomodachi. I can't stop myself.
Enough for para meron pa para sa movie.
Yeah.
I will save this for movie later, and thank you so much, everyone. Tomodachi, every one of you. Especially, I know you are watching.
The one who sent this. We're so happy. Anyway, I will cook karage next time, and we will try to vlog this one. Maybe karage, I will not vlog it anymore since we did it already on the channel, our channel. But for this one, the tea, we will try the tea.
The best, yeah.
What else
After eating everything, just have a tea.
Yeah, so maybe I might make this. We can vlog this one. This drinking tea. So, arigato, everyone. Hope you like our video today that we've made. We're so much happy, and we are blessed because you guys are very nice to us. You support us all the time. You watch our videos, our streaming, streaming.
Look!
Thank you.
There's ant already. You see?
God,
Our best friend ant is very fast. That's why I'm telling you, Katmimi-san, the ant here is so fast.
And
Ant-Man, what are you doing here? You go to Monmon.
And this one really made my day today. Thank you, Batam, you told me. I didn't know because the container is different, right? If I saw this one, then I'll, I know that we have it
because
already.
It's in your side.
Yeah, so I didn't notice, but this one made my day.
I can see it from here.
Arigato. I love this. From Monday to Friday, actually, I'm eating less rice and just vegetables and fruits as much as possible. So I really need this one. Arigato.
Thank you.
Tomodachi.
See you next time. I love you guys.
Arigato.
Mata ne!
Domo arigato.
Domo arigato,
Bye,
and-
everyone. See you on our next review. Bye.
Mata ne!
Bye.
ありがとうございました。